Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how withdrawing money from the GoCrypto app works, and also clear up an important detail that many users get confused about. So, if you've been using the app and wondering how to cash out your balance, make sure to follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the GoCrypto app on your phone. Once the app loads, you'll see your dashboard with your trading balance or profits you've earned from trading inside the app. For example, on my screen right now, my balance is around $5,000. Now, you might be wondering how to withdraw that money and get it into your account. However, here's the important thing you need to know. Withdrawing money from the GoCrypto app is not possible. The reason is that the balance you see in the app is only a virtual balance, not real money. GoCrypto app is actually designed as a cryptocurrency trading simulator. This means it allows you to practice buying and selling digital coins like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but everything happens in a simulated environment. You can open trades, test strategies, and watch your portfolio grow just like you would on a real crypto exchange. However, the funds used inside the app are virtual funds, created only for practice and learning purposes. In other words, the app does not support real money deposits, real trading, cash rewards, or withdrawals. All the trades you make and all the profits you see are part of a simulation environment created to help users learn how cryptocurrency trading works. Because of that, there is currently no option to withdraw the balance from the GoCrypto app. Instead, the app is mainly used to simulate trading, track your performance, and help you learn how buying and selling cryptocurrencies works in a real market environment. So if you were looking for a withdrawal button or a way to cash out your balance, that option isn't available because the funds inside the simulator aren't real funds. And that's basically how it works.